Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This is going to be a very short yet very informative video. It appears Sanchez and Erica having a meeting there. Whatever that's about, let's get to the video. So one question, how do you move app icons around your phone screen? Like this, right? Yeah, I'm sorry to tell you, but I've been doing it wrong your whole life. The right way to move app icons on your phone screen: hold, slide, 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 drop. Hold, slide, slide, drop. Easy, convenient, and that's the right way. Exactly the same on iPhones. Hold with one finger, use the other one, slide, 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 drop on any page you want. It appears they're done with their meeting and now they're just chilling. Anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and even more importantly, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.